Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how you can earn and make money with Bitcoin. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And the quick advice: make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So you want to make money quickly with Bitcoin? Well, you are not alone. People all over the world want to get their hands on some free Bitcoin. And you must have heard that you can trade or invest in Bitcoin to make money. There are many ways to make money with Bitcoin, but all of them require something in return, such as your time or technical skills. Some of the ways you can make money with Bitcoin are mentioned in this video. Find out what is worth your time and effort by watching. Micro earnings may be one of the easiest and cheapest way to get Bitcoin, but it is also the way that takes the most time. Micro earnings mean that you will do small tasks and get a small amount of Bitcoin for your time. The most well-known sites for making small amounts of money are Bitcoin faucets, which you can visit over and over to get coins. Having a sink faucet, the owner of a Bitcoin faucet makes money by putting ads on the website and paying people who click on the ads or fill out surveys. So if you don't mind taking surveys or looking at few ads, going to Bitcoin faucet website is an easy way to get some Bitcoins. One website like this is earn.com. We also have signature campaigns. One of the most popular Bitcoin forums, Bitcoin Talk, has signature campaigns. These campaigns pay you to write forum posts that include a campaign for a product in the signature. Every post you write will earn you money. However, with a signature campaign, you get paid according to your membership level. Usually, someone who isn't a full member won't get paid, and you will need at least 120 posts to become a full member. There are even rules about what kind of content can be posted, how long it can be, and more. There is also a minimum number of posts you have to make each week. Depending on how much you write and what level of membership you have, you can make $5 per hour. Another way to make a lot of money is to trade Bitcoins. It means to buy Bitcoin when the price is low and sell it when the price is high. But like trading on any other financial market, it takes practice and knowledge of the crypto market. Also, the crypto market is known for being very volatile, so it may not be for everyone. You have to spend a lot of time learning how to trade and how to deal with the risks that come with it before you can start trading successfully. Again, we have mining for Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are made. It is done with the help of certain computer programs and the computer's processing power. To do this, you need to buy a mining rig, which is usually made up of 2 or more graphic cards. Connect the hardware rig to a mining pool once you have it. It gives you a better way to use your hashing power to help the Bitcoin network. There's no such thing as a free lunch, so if you want to earn Bitcoins online, you will have to give something in return. You have to give something back, whether it's your time, the power of your computer, all your knowledge. So, since it's your money, don't forget to do your own market research. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.